Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Employment Box. Friends, today we'll be discussing about DFCCIL exam which was held on 28th of September for the post of Executive Operations and BD. I myself have attended the exam in first shift and based on my experience we'll be discussing the cutoff for 2021. Exam analysis, expected cutoff, level of exam and what would be the safe attempts. Based on my experience and my friends who have attempted attended the exam in second and third shift. So let's get started. Now, as you can see on screen, there are a number of questions belonging to particular sections. In total, there were 120 questions, and in my sections, particularly, I have encountered in GK specifically, there were 3 questions on Indian polity, 2 questions on geography. In GK section, 3 questions were from history and 4 questions were from current affairs. Then in numerical ability, profit and loss related questions were there, simple interest and compound interest were there, time and work, then algebra, data interpretation of pie chart and bar graph were there, average related question were there, percentage and ratio and proportions, and other miscellaneous questions were also there in numerical ability section. Talking about history of Indian Railways and DFCCIL, some tricky questions were also there, like how many railway junctions were there till 2006, then 2015-16 electrification done by the railway, related questions were there, then how many electrification routes are present till March 2021, then longest train related questions were also there, and questions on Indian Railway in the period of 1950 to 51 were also there. So based on my experience, the difficulty of exam in first shift was a little bit on moderate side, and after discussing with my friends who were from different slot, the information which I received was the second was a little bit on easier side and third was on tougher side. So based on that assumptions, the safe attempt would be for general knowledge would be 7 to 8, wherein the level of difficulty would be moderate, I guess. This level is a combination of all these shifts, and for logical it was easy. One would easily attempt 9 to 11. Numerical ability, it was on moderate side, 15 to 17 would be safe attempt. Then general science, it was moderate, 15 to 17 again safe attempt. Then history on Indian Railways was on moderate side, and safe attempt would be 14 to 16. Economics and market was on moderate side, safe attempt would be 8 to 10. And customer relation, this section was really easy, and one would easily attempt 9 to 12. I have attempted a total of 93 questions with 85, somewhere around 85% accuracy. So hope it comes out correct. And in all, if I say a person attempting 80 to 95 question with accuracy of 90% would be on safer side. Now let's talk about cutoffs. So the expected cutoff for general or unreserved category candidates would be lying in 70 to 75. For EWS candidate and OBC, it would be same 68 to 72. OBC would be on little lower side than that of EWS. For SC candidate, it would be 60 to 65, and for ST, it would lie from 55 to 60. However, the cutoff may change because it depends upon a number of factors, like the number of candidates attending the exam and the difficulty of paper. This I have analyzed based on my information I received from my friends and my personal experience. I have attended this paper, and from the previous trends of the exam related to DFCCIL. So that's all for today. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe for receiving the latest job updates. Thank you.